Hello students, today I am taking up this session for class 6. The topic is Roman numerals from the chapter number 1, Knowing Our Numbers. Here I will tell you what are the Roman numerals used for the Hindu Arabic numbers that we used in our traditional studies. There are some basic alphabets which are taken and they represent numbers, like I represents 1, V 5, X as 10, L as 50, C as 100, D as 500 and M as 1000. So all the symbols you have to learn and you have to remember them because these are used to write all the numbers. There are certain rules which are followed, like if the same symbol is repeated, then those symbols will be, the value will be added. Like if we are writing X, then it means 10 plus 10, 20. Then I and V are the symbols. If they are written on the left side of a greater symbol, then it is subtracted from it. Like IV will mean 5 minus 1, 4. Some of the symbols like V, L and D are never repeated. And usually the rule is, with a few exceptions, that on the right side if smaller or equal value is written, it is added, and from the left side it is subtracted. You can see this with this example. If I and I are written, it will mean 1 plus 1 equal to 2. If V and I are written, it will mean 5 plus 1 equal to 6. But if I first and then V is written, it will mean 5 minus 1, 4. Similarly, if we write IL, it will be 50 minus 1, 49. Now, I'll tell you what are the Roman numerals used for numbers from 1 to 20. 1 is written like this, 2 written like I, 3 the symbol is repeated 3 times, 4 will be like this, 5 minus 1, 4. For 5 we have a symbol, 6 is written with the help of 5 and 1, then 7 and then 8, because symbol I can be repeated 3 times, so up to 8 we write it this way. But for writing 9 we have to use the symbol that we have for 10. It will be 10 minus 1, 9. Similarly for 11 also we are using 10 and then plus 1, I on the right side. For 12 the symbol is like this, and for 13 it will be XIII. After that we have 14, so this is 10 and then this is 4, so it will be 10 plus 4, 14. For 15, 10 and 5, 16, 10 and 6, 17, 10 and 7, 18, 10 and 8, 19 is like this, and 20 you have to just write XX. Now we will do some more numbers, some bigger numbers, how to write that. For writing 69, we must write first the 50 and then 10 for 60 and then 9. So it will be L for 50, X for 10, so this becomes 60, and then IX for 9, this becomes 69. Now to write 98, it will be C for 100 and then 10 is written on this side so that it is subtracted and becomes 90, and then 8 is written like this. Now for 37 we have to write 10 3 times and then 7. For 41 first we need to write 50. So this is 50 and then 10 is written on this side, so it is subtracted, so this becomes 40 and then 1. So this is how we write the corresponding Roman numeral, and if any Roman numeral is given to you, you can find out its value in Hindu Arabic, vice versa. Thank you.